Hello, my name is Keith Davison, and this is my anti-corrosion robot, Tinkercad, Arduino, and circuit. Over here we have the Arduino and the 9-volt battery underneath. And the 9-volt battery powers these two gear motors, as well as this motor over here via these switches. Then we have the infrared sensor and the remote, which controls the steering. 1 is forward, 2 is backwards, 3 is left, and 4 is right. Up here we have the ultrasonic sensor, which senses how far the robot is away from a rusted surface. Then over here we have a servo motor, which controls the sanding arm of the robot. And this motor controls the sanding wheel at the end of that arm. And then this servo motor controls the paint arm of the robot. And this servo motor simulates a paint sprayer at the end of that arm. Over here we have the code, our values, void setup, our void loop, and this is where the simulation part starts. All right, if the ultrasonic sensor senses that the distance is greater than 15 inches, then the servo motors and the sanding wheel motor are off. And if the ultrasonic sensor senses that the distance is less than 15 inches, then we'll activate the sanding arm and go to 90. Delay for 1 second. Then it will start the sanding wheel motor. And then it will run for 10 seconds. Then it will stop. Delay for 1 second. Reset the sanding wheel. Delay for 1 second. And then it will activate the paint arm. Go to 90. Then it'll delay for 1 second. Then it'll activate the sprayer, go to 90, and that will run for 10 seconds. And that is just simulating the robot spraying a exposed area with paint. And then it will reset the sprayer, delay for 1 second, then reset the paint arm. And then there's a 5-second delay, and that is used for the ultrasonic sensor to determine if the distance is still less than 15 inches or greater. And if it's less than 15 inches, then this cycle will repeat. And then we have the void move down here. Go ahead and start the simulation. For the motors, start off with 1, go forward, go backwards, go left, go right, and then we'll stop. And over here in the serial monitor, we can see the distance from the ultrasonic sensor. Speaking of that, I'm going to move that less than 15, and we see that the sanding arm is activated, and so has the sanding wheel motor. And this motor will run for 10 seconds. All right, and it's stopped. Sanding arm resets, paint arm activates, and the sprayer activates. And then the sprayer will run for 10 seconds. That'll reset, and then the paint arm resets. And then during that 5-second delay, since the ultrasonic sensor senses less than 15 inches, then the cycle repeats, and that is simulating the robot taking care of multiple rust areas. And the cycle is almost done. Sprayer is about to reset. There it goes. And the paint arm resets, and everything has stopped. And the serial monitor continues. And that is the robot. Thank you.